Hey hustlers, welcome back to the Make Money channel, the go-to destination for unlocking your financial potential. If you're a student ready to break free from the shackles of a tight budget, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving deep into the world of making money online without spending a dime. Buckle up, because we're about to embark on a journey that could change the way you think about earning as a student. Briefly introduce the challenges students face in managing finances. Highlight the significance of leveraging online opportunities for income. Set the tone for a practical guide to making money without any initial investment. Understanding the landscape of online opportunities. Explore various online platforms for freelancing, such as Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer. Discuss the potential of remote part-time jobs for students. Introduce the concept of content creation on platforms like YouTube, blogging, or podcasting. Freelancing skills for students. Identify marketable skills that students can offer online. Provide tips on enhancing skills through online courses and tutorials. Discuss the importance of building a strong portfolio to attract clients. Content creation and monetization strategies. Guide on starting a YouTube channel, creating engaging content, and building a subscriber base. Explain the process of starting a blog and monetizing it through ads, affiliate marketing, and sponsored content. Introduce podcasting as an alternative medium for students. Utilizing social media for earning. Explore ways to monetize social media platforms, including Instagram, TikTok, and Twitter. Discuss the importance of personal branding and consistency in content creation. Highlight success stories of students who have effectively used social media for income generation. Online surveys, reviews, and testing. Discuss platforms that pay for participating in online surveys and providing reviews. Explore user testing websites and their potential for earning money. Provide tips on maximizing earnings through these methods. Remote internships and virtual assistant opportunities. Guide on finding remote internships in various fields. Discuss the role of a virtual assistant and how students can offer their services. Provide insights into networking and building connections online for future opportunities. Summarize key points discussed in the video. Emphasize the importance of consistency, dedication, and adapting to changing trends. Encourage students to explore multiple avenues and find what aligns with their skills and interests. Closing note: invite viewers to share their experiences and tips in the comments section. Encourage them to subscribe for more content on personal and professional development. This topic covers various aspects of making money online as a student without an initial investment, providing a comprehensive guide for your video. There you have it, folks. A roadmap to financial freedom for students navigating the online realm. Remember, the key is not just to watch, but to take action. Whether you're a budding freelancer, a content creator in the making, or someone exploring the vast opportunities of social media, the internet is your oyster. Let's turn those dreams into dollars, one click at a time. But wait, before you click away, here's the deal. If you're serious about transforming your financial future, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell. Why? Because on this channel, we're not just about the what, but the how. Subscribing means you'll be the first to know about the latest money-making strategies, insider tips, and success stories from fellow students who've cracked the code. Plus, we often drop bonus content and exclusive giveaways that could fast-track your journey to financial independence. So what are you waiting for? Join our community of moneymakers by subscribing now. Let's turn those notifications on and let the money-making adventure begin. Feel free to customize these sections to fit your style and branding for the Make Money channel. Happy filming!